development partners, and they're quite
Yes. It is my honor, sir, to welcome you to the stage.
Kindiki. Thank you so much. Sudan, for finding time to be here. I'm aware that we have
the concept of the border has changed, qualitatively speaking, because today, while the physical border still exists, there is also the virtual border, which has brought its own complications and has become even more critical to manage and control, even more than the physical border. So as we struggle in harnessing our efforts to control and manage the physical border, we are confronted with the virtual border, which is giving us even more complications. As you're aware, traditionally we have always looked at our national borders in terms of the airspace, the sea, and also the land